to another Excel chat walkthrough video. I'm your host, Kevin Kelly, and today we're going to be talking about what is the Excel and function and how do you use it exactly. So let's get right into that. So basically, the AND function is a way to represent data based on certain criteria that you've set. So in our Excel file here, we can clearly see in one column we have just a list of amounts. In another column, we have amount between 250 and 500. So what I'm going to do here is I want Excel to tell me out of the cells in the B column, which ones are between 250 and 500, right? So this is really helpful if you have a huge set of data. You know exactly how many cells, maybe in a test, how many people scored between 80 and 90 or 90 and 100, and you have 500 students. This is an easy way to really get that information as quickly as possible. So on a simple basis, this is how to use it. So we're going to do equals and. Now we're going to do B3 because that is the cell that we are using the AND function with. And we're going to say, okay, we want B3 to be greater than 250, okay? Now we're putting another criteria, and we're going to say, okay, we also want B3 to be less than 500. Close parentheses. And that is how you do that. So as you can see, it gave us true, which is obviously true because 350 is between 250 and 500. And now we can just copy this formula and drag it down. And you can see we have true, false, and all of that reigns to be true as Excel has now told us, okay, the amounts that are between 250 and 500 are true. We label them as true, and the other ones are false. So this is a really simple technique. Obviously, this is the basics, and there's going to be more videos about how to use the Excel and function on a more sophisticated level, but this is the basics of how you use it.
Still have questions? Click to get help from a live Excel expert at Excel Chat.